Elephant seals are large, ocean-going earless seals in the genus Mirounga. The two species, the northern elephant seal and the southern elephant seal, were both hunted to the brink of extinction by the end of the 19th century, but the numbers have since recovered. The northern elephant seal, somewhat smaller than its southern relative, ranges over the Pacific coast of the U.S., Canada and Mexico. The most northerly breeding location on the Pacific coast is at Race Rocks, at the southern tip of Vancouver Island in the Strait of Juan de Fuca. The southern elephant seal is found in the southern hemisphere on islands such as South Georgia and Macquarie Island, and on the coasts of New Zealand, South Africa, and Argentina in the peninsula Baldhur, which is the fourth largest elephant seal colony in the world. In southern Chile, there is a small colony of 120 animals at Jackson Bay at Admiralty Sound, Tierra del Fuego. The oldest known unambiguous elephant seal fossils are fragmentary fossils of an unnamed member of the tribe Mirounga described from the late Pliocene Pétain Formation of New Zealand. Teeth originally identified as representing an unnamed species of Mirounga have been found in South Africa, and dated to the Miocene epoch. However, Boasnecker and Amp. Churchill considered these teeth to be almost certainly misidentified odontocete teeth. Elephant seals breed annually and are seemingly faithful to colonies that have established breeding areas. Description: elephant seals take their name from the large proboscis of the adult male, which resembles an elephant's trunk. The bull's proboscis is used in producing extraordinarily loud roaring noises, especially during the mating season. More importantly, however, the nose acts as a sort of rebreather filled with cavities designed to reabsorb moisture from the animal's exhalations. This is important during the mating season when the seals do not leave the beach to feed, and must conserve body moisture as they have no incoming source of water. These animals are colossally large in comparison with other pinnipeds, with southern elephant seal bulls typically reaching a length of 5 meters and a weight of 3,000 kilograms, and are much larger than the cows, with some exceptionally large males reaching up to 6 meters in length and weighing 4,000 kilograms. Cows typically measure about 3 meters and 900 kilograms. Northern elephant seal bulls reach a length of 4.3 to 4.8 meters and the heaviest weigh about 2,500 kilograms. Physiology: elephant seals spend upwards of 80% of their lives in the ocean. They can hold their breath for more than 100 minutes, longer than any other non-cetacean mammal. Elephant seals dive to 1,550 meters beneath the ocean's surface by a southern elephant seal. The average depth of the dives is about 300 to 600 meters, typically for around 20 minutes for females and 60 minutes for males, as they search from the favorite foods, which are skates, raised squid, octopuses, eels, small sharks and large fish. The stomachs also often contain gastroliths. While excellent swimmers, they are also capable of rapid movement on land. Elephant seals are shielded from extreme cold by the blubber, more so than by fur. The animal's hair and outer layers of skin mold in large patches. The skin has to be regrown by blood vessels reaching through the blubber. When molting occurs, the seal is susceptible to the cold, and must rest on land in a safe place called a haul-out. Northern males and young adults haul out during June to July to molt. Northern females and immature seals during April to May. Elephant seals have a very large volume of blood, allowing them to hold a large amount of oxygen for use when diving. They have large sinuses in their abdomens to hold blood and can also store oxygen in their muscles with increased myoglobin concentrations in muscle. In addition, they have a larger proportion of oxygen-carrying red blood cells. These adaptations allow elephant seals to dive to such depths and remain underwater for up to 2 hours. Milk produced by elephant seals is remarkably high in milk fat compared to other mammals. After an initially lower state, it rises to over 50% milk fat. Lifespan. Northern female elephant seals have lived for 22 years, and can give birth starting at the age of 3 to 4. Males reach maturity at 5 to 6 years, but generally do not achieve alpha status until the age of 8, with the prime breeding years being between ages 9 and 12. The longest life expectancy of a male northern elephant seal is approximately 14 years. Status. The IUCN lists both species of elephant seal as being of least concern, although they are still threatened by entanglement in marine debris, fishery interactions, and boat collisions. Though a complete population count of elephant seals is not possible because all age classes are not ashore at the same time. The most recent estimate of the California breeding stock was approximately 124,000 individuals. In the United States, the elephant seal, like all marine mammals, is protected under the Marine Mammal Protection Act, passed in 1972, which outlaws hunting, killing, capture, and harassment of the animal. Gallery.